well, I was hoping I wouldn't have been doing this podcast this month. I was hoping to be away on the bike before the kids break up. But yeah, well, if you follow me on social media, you know that I am on the bike, although it's still just as painful as it was before. So whatever the pain is, which I originally thought it wasn't my hip anyway, but physio thought it was, but it's all a process of elimination, trying to rule out what it is. So I went to see my consultant about my hip, just a follow-up routine appointment after the operation, and I said to him about the pain. He said, well, it could be the hip. It could be the back as well, of course, but more than likely, it's both. So great. Yeah, so, well, it's really not good cycling at the moment. It does hurt. Although you're saying now, I did actually go to Portsmouth the other day, or near enough to Portsmouth. The road was closed, so we just turned around, but we was nearly there and we would have made it quite easily. I do sometimes wonder if I start out the morning pedalling, well, I have several thoughts. If I start the day off pedalling without really doing anything, it's not too bad. Or I can cycle for like not very far, not even a mile, and then the pain really kicks in. But if I can push through that, as was the case when I went to Portsmouth, it doesn't feel too bad. I mean, it still hurts, and I'm not that comfortable, and I spend all the time being careful about where I move on the bike, just in case I started off. But yeah, but at least we are out and about a little bit on the bike. What else has happened this month? Oh yes, I know. When I went to physio, it was sort of a week before I was due to be back on the bike. So I thought, I'd just ask Mike, my physio, what his opinion would be if I could go back on the bike. So we went into the gym at the hospital and he put me on one of their static bikes. Blimey. Why do people do it in a gym? I couldn't believe how hot you get. Because, of course, there's no breeze coming towards you. You're pedalling and you're just static. So I didn't enjoy that, although I was comfortable on the bike. But Mike said, I think we should stay off at the bike for another week. Because I know you'll end up just cycling off around the world. But, yeah, little does he know how painful it still is. Because, of course, we're fast approaching the school holidays, summer holidays. So, as I say, I was hoping just to go away for a few days, maybe even just a night before the kids break up. But with the pain being the way it is, I haven't. So I think maybe what we'll do is we'll stay home over the summer holidays and then try and go away after the holidays. But as I say, it's pretty painful, and well, everything is such hard work. I mean, yeah, getting in and out of a tent would be hard going, but yeah, we'll see. I don't think we'll be going away before next month anyway. Anyway, the other thing is, ow, I've got another leg stuck. We've been looking after Goody. We've been looking after this little girl. Hey mate. Haha. It's Julie's daughter's dog. And well, she's been staying with me. No problem at all, and to be honest, it gets me out walking in the morning, so we go for a nice early morning walk along the beach. Yes, so apart from going for the odd walk, we don't have a Goldie all the time, but when we do have her, we obviously do go out on a walk. I go on little rides. As I say, the furthest I've been is Portsmouth, which, as I say, that wasn't too bad. Although, saying that, I did hurt for the last few miles. It was hard going. Oh, that's another thing, I think. It seems to hurt more, and I do remember this from, I think it was when I went Eastbourne way a couple of years ago, when I was coming down off Beachy Head into Eastbourne itself. My pain seems greater when I'm not actually pedalling or when there's no resistance. I mean, then I was just coming down the hill, so I wasn't pedalling, but I've noticed, because there's a pretty strong breeze at the moment, which is annoying for cycling, but yeah, if I'm going with the wind behind me, I seem to get a lot of pain. But when I'm coming back against the wind, the pain isn't so great. To be honest, I shift about on my bike, I move one way, I put my back and my neck and the spine. I just try always to try and ease the pain, but yeah, it doesn't seem to work no matter what I do.